Okay, moving on to 15.4 logarithmic functions. I put some notes up here that I'll try to leave up for this entire section. But what we're going to work with is we're going to work with changing from exponent form to logarithmic form and from logarithmic form to exponent form. And then we're going to have some solving problems also. But you want to be really familiar as you get into logarithms to be able to move in and out of these two different forms here. And you just have to kind of remember that in mathematics we have a lot of different ways to write things that are equivalent to each other. And this is one of the little things that you have to learn with logarithms and exponents. So this here is in exponential form. You don't see the word log, and we're going to convert it into logarithm form. Okay, so we're going to log form. And you can tell, you know, in all these, you don't see the word log yet. So that's kind of a hint that it's in exponent form. A little review of vocabulary: we have base and we have exponent here. And so to go into log form, it's not bad at all. You just write the word log, okay? And what I remember is that after I write the word log, that the base is always going to be the base. So we have the base is 10. I'm going to put this 10 down here for the base of the logarithm. It's kind of lowered a little bit. And then I remember that if these are on the same side when I start, they won't be on the same side in my equivalent logarithmic form. Or some students remember this switches sides and this switches sides, okay? So what we'll have here then is log base 10 of 23 is k. And that's in logarithmic form. Okay, let's try another one. Write the word log. The base we spotted right here is 2. So I'm going to put 2 down here. Then I remember that these switch sides here. So I have log base 2 of 42 is t. Write the word log. Drop the base of 9. So we say log base 9. These will switch sides here. Okay. And we get log base 9 of 81 is 2. You could actually test this on your TI and do this, and you'll see you'll get, if you do this piece right here, you'll see you'll get 2 as the answer. You find the different base logarithms under the math button on your calculator, math. You have to scroll either up or down to find that log. What happens is you'll look for this, okay, and then they'll let you fill in those 2 numbers on your TI-84, okay. All right, here we're going to write the word log. We're going to drop the base of 7, okay, so remember the base here is 7, and then we're going to have these switch sides, so I get 1/49 equals -2, okay, and then log base p, kind of weird, but you just have to put things in the right spot, log base p, and then of m equals x. Now we didn't have to do the bases in different colors, but I just did them to stand out a little bit. So you want to be able to practice with that and switch them out of exponential form into an equivalent logarithmic form easily.